Hello everyone, my name is Fiona. Today we are going to be looking at two words that will really help with your English listening and pronunciation skills. You can see that they look the same, but how do they sound? And what's the difference? Keep watching to find out why. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, I will say the sentence quickly, so really listen well. I make live videos where I live. Second time, slower. I make live videos where I live. Okay, let me show you the sentence. I make live videos where I live. What two words go in the blanks here? Can you tell me? Well, the answer is I make live videos where I live. I know, they look the same, but they're two different words. Let me tell you why. Let's have a look at our two words in more detail. We have live and live. The spelling is the same, but the pronunciation and the meaning is different. It's a heteronym. What's a heteronym? It's where you have two words where the spelling is the same, but the meanings and the pronunciations are different. Let's have a look at the meaning and the pronunciation of our two words. I'll start with live. Live is an adjective. It means something that is happening right now. You can go and see it with your own eyes, like a broadcast or a concert. Here are two sentences to show you this. The first one, the live debate is happening right now. The live debate is happening right this second. You can go and watch it. And number two, I like watching live streams on the internet. I like watching people broadcast themselves on the internet live right now as it's happening. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. Live. Live. Our second word is live. Live is a verb. It means to make your home somewhere. And I have two sentences to show you this. I live in America. It's where I live, the country where my home is. And sentence number two, they live across the street from me. I live here, my house. They live across the street. Their house is across the street from my house. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. Live. Live. Now let's go back to our main sentence. I make live videos where I live. I make live videos that are happening right now. I make live videos where I live, where my home is. I make live videos where I live. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. We'll go slowly to start, and then we'll speed up like a native speaker. Repeat after me. I make live videos where I live. Okay, a little bit faster now. I make live videos where I live. Well done. Great job today, guys. You had some really great practice in English listening and pronunciation. If you want to go and learn some more, then you can check out any of our other videos. There's some real gems there. And if you want to leave a comment, leave one down below. I'll see you in the next one.